Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurulita Syafitri. Now I want to explain about noun. So, do you know what is noun? Noun is one of part of speech that use to object and subject. And then noun are divided into two categories. The first is form and the second is quantitative. So, the first form. Form are divided into two categories also. The first is abstract and the second is concrete. Abstract noun is something that cannot be seen by sense. For the example is air. And the second is concrete. Concrete noun are divided into four categories. The first is common, second proper, and the third is collective, and the fourth is material. So, common noun in the bird sense. So, for the example of common is transportation, and the second is proper. Proper is a noun that more specific than common. For the example is bus, and then taxi, and the other. The third is collective. Collective is like a group. For the example is boy band or girl band and the other. And the fourth is material. Material is ingredients. For the example of material is sugar, salt, and the other. So next we talk about quantitative. Okay. Quantitative are divided into two categories. The first is countable and the second is uncountable. Countable noun is a noun that can count. For the example is pen, bill, and the other. And the second is uncountable. Uncountable is a noun that cannot count. For the example is money. Okay. Countable noun also can divide it into two categories. The first is singular and the second is plural. The example of singular noun is book. The second is plural. Plural also divided into two categories. The first is regular and the second is irregular. Okay. Regular noun is a noun that more than one, but the change of one noun and two noun is same. For the example is book become books. Okay. The second is irregular. Irregular is a noun that more than one, but the particle is not regular. For the example is mouse become mice. So that's about noun. Noun is more compatible. There are many nouns around us. So that's for me. Kalau saya, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.